Alright, here's a fan you guys may remember from my collection at one point. It now belongs to Nate. And here it is. This is an Air King 20-inch 2-speed with a reversible motor. As you can see, 2-speed, high and low, in and out. Air King electrically reversible. But here's the Air King badge. Maybe. There we go. It's got metal blades. It's on a stand. That's kind of interesting. That's the back of it. Let's see it turn this down. Helps a little bit. So GE motor. The Fireball motor, if you will. Yeah. It is what it is. I haven't seen many issues out of these, but anyway, we'll start on intake and turn it to high. I think that's the stand. It runs good still. Whoa. Stand shuts up after that. It's a good running fan. I'll go back to high. And off. Throw it on out, because why not? Start on high on the outtake. I'm not sure how effective this really is. It doesn't do too bad. A little low. It doesn't do too bad. Oh yeah, there's the Air King. I believe this is going to end up going to another fan collector in one of the groups. I think Nate's going to send it off. But this will probably be the last time you see it on my channel. So, yeah. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. And stay safe out there. Thank you for watching.